Conclusion. In conclusion, AI technology is transforming the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. From healthcare to finance to transportation and education, AI is being used to solve complex problems and improve human life. While there are challenges to be addressed, the opportunities presented by AI technology are significant, including improved efficiency, personalization, and innovation. As the technology continues to evolve, the development and adoption of AI technology will remain a critical area of focus, driving progress and improving human life across a wide range of fields. The future of AI technology. As AI technology continues to advance, there are several future developments that hold promise for the field. Some of these developments include Explainable AI. Explainable AI technology will enable humans to understand how AI systems make decisions, improving transparency and accountability. Quantum computing. Quantum computing has the potential to significantly improve the speed and efficiency of AI systems, enabling more complex and sophisticated applications. Edge computing. Edge computing involves processing data on devices closer to the source, reducing latency and enabling real-time processing of data. Human-machine collaboration. The development of AI technology that can collaborate with humans in real time has the potential to improve productivity and efficiency across a wide range of fields. The role of AI ethics. As AI technology continues to advance, there is an increasing need for ethical considerations to be integrated into the development and use of AI systems. Some of the key ethical considerations include transparency. AI systems should be transparent, enabling humans to understand how they make decisions and ensuring accountability. Fairness. AI systems should be designed and implemented in a way that ensures fairness and avoids bias. Privacy. AI systems should protect the privacy and security of user data, respecting user rights and ensuring data is not misused. Accountability. AI systems should be accountable, with clear lines of responsibility and liability. Government policies and AI technology. Government policies and regulations can play a significant role in shaping the development and use of AI technology. Some of the key policies that can support the growth of AI technology include research and development funding. Funding for research and development can help to drive innovation and progress in the AI field. Regulatory frameworks. Regulatory frameworks can help to ensure the responsible use of AI systems, protecting user rights and ensuring accountability. Incentives for adoption. Incentives for adoption, such as tax breaks or subsidies, can encourage companies to invest in AI technology. Conclusion. In conclusion, AI technology is transforming the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. While there are challenges to be addressed, such as ethical considerations and technical challenges, the opportunities presented by AI technology are significant, including improved efficiency, personalization, and innovation. As the technology continues to evolve, the development and adoption of AI technology will remain a critical area of focus, driving progress and improving human life across a wide range of fields. As the technology continues to evolve, the development and adoption of AI technology will remain a critical area of focus, driving progress and improving human life across a wide range of fields. Ensuring that AI technology is developed and used in an ethical and responsible manner will be key to realizing the full potential of this transformative technology. AI in the job market. One area where AI technology has raised concerns is the impact on the job market. While AI has the potential to automate repetitive tasks and improve efficiency, there is a risk that it could also lead to job displacement and inequality. Some of the key considerations related to AI and the job market include job displacement. AI technology has the potential to automate many tasks currently performed by humans, leading to job displacement and potentially exacerbating income inequality.